Good morning. So we're going down to Thredbo today. Long weekend. Thought we'd get around it. 50 mil of snow. Can't pass it up. So stand by for some slippery action this weekend. How you going back there, dude? Are you all tucked in? He's not talking to me yet. He must be dirty. He's not going to the snow. Oh, baby, you ready?
We're ready.
Let your hair down, spin around downtown, give me that kiss, amaze me. Well, everybody need a little bit of loving tonight. That's a little bit crazy. Take my hand, take my heart now, honey, my super lady. Lick your lips, shake your hips, we on the flip side. Come on, pretty mama, amazing. Everybody need a woman like that. With a kiss, she'd save the day.
Okay, we're at the top of Kosci chairlift, last day of the season. Snow's a little bit sloppy, but we're loving it. Aren't we, babe? Come on, Jess, let's do it.
Black boots, white jeans, so tight, just right. Oh, something mean. She moved fast in her pink sunglasses and bust out of the limousine. Oh, shit. The party scene was a
Just a quick update. We've just had a couple of Indians rock up in a Yaris, and they're just doing a bit of a pre-season photo shoot for next season at Bollywood, I think. So anyway, I'll just give you a squiz.
take my hand, take my heart now, honey, my super